Alright guys, we're gonna be opening something new. We have a Blizzard Legacy Collection blaster boxes. We have two. Let's see what we can get out of here. Not even sure if there is anything warranted. Pack number 1 out of blaster number 1. Here we go. If you're watching this, Jose, you might recognize some Overwatch characters for sure. Alright, we have Muradin from World of Warcraft. Yeah, another World of Warcraft, of course. Tarendi, probably saying that wrong. Actually, it's not. It's from Hearthstone. I haven't played that one, or World of Warcraft, but some of the characters are really expected to be from that game. Well, there's our first Overwatch, if I've seen one. Okay, I have. Alright, now I cannot see the symbols. That's definitely the Overwatch symbols, so by the symbols we're gonna know what game is this. Like this symbol is Heroes of the Storm, which I don't think I have heard of yet. Alright, but there's our first Overwatch, which I'll probably put on the side. Maybe, yeah, I'll put it on the side. Ooh, we have a Diablo, I will assume with a D logo there. Imperious, red parallel, Diablo, and the parallel, I guess, is called Horde, as you can see right there. Okay, Horde red parallel, probably the blaster exclusive parallel. We have another Diablo here. Val, seems like. Put that on the side as well. World of Warcraft, I would assume. Artes. Pretty cool. And wait, what? Really? Oh, Warcraft. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was almost the same as, since it has a W for Overwatch, but it's a different one. Yeah. For some reason I thought it wasn't that. But Warcraft here, Terran. Looks cool. Pretty cool image. Alright, I gotta go faster. Sorry if I took forever in just one pack. But this is my first time opening this, so I'll try to go faster this time. That's definitely... No, it's not what I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, I'll separate them later. I'll just put the parallel separately. There's another. Oh, Overwatch red. Farah on the Horde once again. Horde red. Alright. Whoa. Diablo creature. Pretty cool. Blizzard has some craziest creatures for sure, no doubt. Lobom. Just don't have a PC to be playing World of Warcraft. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Oh. Horedric Cube. Dark Wanderer. Do you peel them off? Not sure if they form anything, but I'll put that as a hit, I guess. Another red horde for Warcraft. Medivh. Medivh. Yeah, Medivh. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Like this one, Diablo creature. What the? Man. Is this Medusa? Lady Vash. Bash? I don't know. Probably say I'm wrong. Well, let's definitely go quicker because it seems like there is a lot of packs. Ooh, I like that one for sure though, from Diablo. Where are these ones from? Oh, it's the Heroes one, okay. There's another Overwatch, of course, one of the trademark characters, Tracer. A lot of people like Tracer that play Overwatch. Or I could be wrong. But I believe there's a base of fans that love Tracer. Like I said, I could be totally wrong. I think there's people that like this guy too. Ooh. Taraljan? Oh man, sorry guys if I'm butchering it. Ooh, I love orcs. That's a cool one. Black Hand. Evil orc for sure. Even just by the name. Elves, dark elf. I love elves too. Oh, Los Vikings, bro. I'm replaying this on my PS2. Maybe I should try to get it back. I remember playing those. The ape. I think he's a medic, right? He's a lot of people play as him too, or this girl too. Actually, I mean, a lot of Overwatch characters are famous, honestly. But there's definitely favorites. Nemsi, Necro, Fizzle. Okay, looks like we get like one horde red battle for pack. Other than that, only the the puzzle piece so far though. I mean, some of these base cards could still be potentially have some value, and if they don't, then rip on me purchasing this. Oh, alright, that's a good one, Mr. Goldan. Of course, hell yeah, that's a good one. He even appeared in the movies, if I'm not wrong. I think, right? The movies? Did I say movies? The movie. I think there's only been one movie, no one. Also, I could be totally wrong. Oh, nice. Another nice orc. I mean, I passed a couple orcs in this pack, honestly. Alright, so, yeah. So far, out of Blaster number 1, the only crazy thing is probably the puzzle. And the rest are just the red horde. But now time to go to Blaster number 2 and see if there's something different. Alright, pack number 1, Blaster number 2. Let's see what we can find here. There's our first hot red. Okay, well that's that's crazy. On this first pack we got all the base, 3 of the base red horde that we got in the last blaster. number those. Oh, well, we got a horde insert. Black Thorn. And we got Black Thorn himself on it. We get the main character of the name. Alright, not sure about Blackborn though. I don't think I've heard. And there's another one of the red ones that we got. But now on the base, which is good. Alright. Not too bad, not too bad. I mean, I still love these art for sure. Hey, there's another cube thing. Sultan Kill. Cool. Not sure. And a red for Warcraft. Undoing Lothar. We also got that one on base before. If I get a red on this one, that would be pretty nice. Not sure how long the set is. Seems like we already got a few copies of some. Not too much, but I already noticed a few. There's our red. What is that? Khadgar? Alright, Khadgar. Alright, we have 3 more packs. And the best thing is probably the red insert, if that is even an insert, but I think it is. Right, hold on, let me go check. Let me go back and check. 190. Actually, it might not be an insert. It's just how they decided to make this one. It's not even an insert since it has a regular number. Oh well. Let's keep going. Oh, Diablo. No, that's not Diablo. What is this? StarCraft. Okay, yeah. StarCraft, right? Yep. Sir Glean. Alright. Alright, I believe we only have one more pack after this. Alright, so for over 190 cards, like I said already, we already have a few copies. That's probably not good. But I mean, I'm not trying to complete the set anyway, so might end up selling the most of the cards. There you go. That's an insert for sure. Echo. Ultimate ready for Overwatch. Alright. And the red is gonna be, what is this? Oh, Hearthstones. Leiden or Leiden? Alright. Last pack magic. Here we go. Is there anything crazy? Nope. It looks like just a regular base red. It's okay. Hopefully the reds go for a few bucks and I'll be alright. Bam. Okay. Inaris. Alright, guys. Well, there you go. Blizzard's Legacy Collection Blasters. I actually would have liked to pull this girl. Even though I haven't really played StarCraft, I love this character. Yeah, alright. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Adiosito.